In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see emergency contacts on the lock screen of any iPhone, even if you cannot pass Face ID or even if you don't know screen time passcode. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Basically, guys, it is very simple process, and all we have to do is first off wake up the iPhone and then swipe up from the very bottom. As you can see, now we are prompted to enter screen time passcode, however we don't know it, and then we need to tap right here at emergency and then at the same place medical ID. That's how we can easily find all emergency contacts that was set by this iPhone's owner in this list, and moreover from here we can call them simply by tapping at their phone number, even if we don't know screen time passcode or even if we cannot pass Face ID. I'm gonna show you one more time how we can do so. Just tap at a phone number to call to any of these emergency contacts. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.